Kia ora everyone, we're going to do a song, we'll introduce it in a minute, but first, if you've got a ukulele or a guitar handy, we're going to show you the chords because it's one chord song. So this is what you're going to play on the guitar. It's a C chord, so you got your first finger on the B string, which is second from the bottom, then you're going to put your second finger on the D string, and that's going to be on the second fret, so the second gap there, and then that's on the D string, and then your third finger goes on the A string on the third fret. There's the C chord. Maisie, why don't you show us how to play a C chord on the ukulele?
Okay, so a C chord on the ukulele is really quite simple. So you get your you go into the third column and then you put your finger there and on the bottom string there, and you should have it. C chord.
Perfect. Let's do it. You might have heard the English and French version before. In English it's called
Brother John.
In French it's called Frère, Jacques. And we're going to do a today version, and we're going to call it Kei te moikwe. Kei te moikwe. What does moi mean?
I think it means sleeping.
Ah, you're right. Taina, it goes Kei te moikwe, taina hone. Taina is...
Brother.
Yeah, usually younger brother, I think. Cool. Okay. So hone is another name for it, or it's the Māori version of John. And we've got kei te tangi ngā pere. Now, tangi I've heard is used for a funeral. What else is tangi used for?
Is it like ringing?
Yeah, it is. Or it could be crying or wailing, but it's could be like a ringing sound. And then ngā pere. Pere simply means, do you remember?
Bell.
Bell, yeah. Awesome. All right, let's play. Alright, we're going to do something called Around Us. Maisie, do you want to kick us off? Tori, fa.